Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Estate Insights. Today, we are excited to take you on a journey through one of Pune's most sought after residential developments, BG Aspiro by BG Spaces LLP. Situated in the heart of Ravid, this project offers not just homes but a lifestyle infused with comfort, convenience, and community spirit. BG Aspiro is a sprawling residential complex spread across 9,815 square meters of prime real estate. The project comprises four types of spacious apartments: 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, and 3 BHK, with a total of 16 floors. The sanctioned floor space index, FSI, for this project is 9,928 square meters. The area range of the apartments varies from 580 to 953 square feet, catering to diverse family sizes and preferences. The completion date for BG Aspiro is set for June 2029. With a Google review rating of 4.6 and RERA registration number P521000335558, BG Aspiro promises to be a top choice for homebuyers in Pune. Now, let's take a virtual tour of BG Aspiro and see what sets it apart from other residential developments in Pune. From the moment you step into the project, you'll be greeted by stylish interiors, spacious balconies offering breathtaking views, and lush landscaped gardens that create a serene oasis amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. Let's explore some of the key amenities that make living at BG Aspiro a truly enriching experience. At BG Aspiro, it's not just about owning a home, it's about becoming part of a vibrant and close-knit community. Residents here enjoy a wide range of amenities designed to enhance their quality of life. Whether you're looking to stay fit at the state-of-the-art gymnasium, relax by the refreshing swimming pool, or spend quality time with your family in the landscaped gardens, there's something for everyone at BG Aspiro. And with a dedicated children's play area, your little ones can have fun and make new friends in a safe and secure environment. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some of the residents who have chosen to make BG Aspiro their home. Their first-hand experiences and testimonials will give you valuable insights into what life is really like at BG Aspiro. Behind every great project is a team of dedicated and experienced developers. BG Aspiro is brought to you by BG Spaces LLP, a name synonymous with quality and reliability in the real estate industry. BG Spaces LLP has a proven track record of delivering exceptional residential projects that cater to the evolving needs of modern homebuyers. When it comes to investing in real estate, transparency and compliance are key. BG Aspiro adheres to all legal and regulatory requirements, offering peace of mind to investors and homebuyers alike. In Pune's dynamic real estate landscape, BG Aspiro stands out as a beacon of excellence. Its prime location, superior amenities, competitive pricing, and future development plans make it an attractive investment opportunity for those seeking a blend of comfort, convenience, and luxury living. Thank you for joining us on this tour of BG Aspiro residential project. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on the latest real estate developments.